Hmm. So when I came to know that these scammers, huh, my everything is compromised, email ID compromised, identity card ID and everything compromised. So what I did, uh, where did I saw in OTP Mafia, NDTV channel put on a documentary about the fake bank account and everything. Huh? So look, when everything is compromised, then the bank is also compromised. And before that, I knew that they are doing stuff like planting phone location. So I already had this knowledge of the planting phone location can also do fake bank transaction. Huh? I already knew that this thing might be in uh, action, the fake bank accounts. So I visited banks. I filmed them. HDFC, ICICI. They said you have no account. Then after that, I contacted many banks. Do you find any account of this name? They said no. Even Kotak Mahindra said no. So this is the shit. English one. And who are controlling the fake bank accounts? The fake bank accounts are no other than those prostitutes. The prostitutes from the street, those are the street hookers. The names hold uh, in the transaction, their names are in the transaction of the prostitutes, the street hookers. Their husbands may be working in a bank or a loan department, something like that. It's hell of a noise. This vehicle is making hell of a noise. So, anyways, who cares? So their husbands must be working in the loan department, banks, and all this stuff. Who hide stuff, or maybe few of the prostitutes must be working in bank. Getting this right? But those are the street hookers, and I exposed them in front of the surveillance, as well as they were walking around the house with the phone, which does the bank transaction and makes sex videos as well. And their names are in the fake bank accounts. So when I visited bank said you have no account. Look, I cannot blame anyone for this rather than those West people. Because those West guys have started it and their prostitution has been spread. They have got more prostitutes from good societies, call girls from good societies, who get fucked for money. Living in societies, but you don't know those are prostitutes. Online prostitutes. Like I said before, they were capturing me from the front camera and someone was laughing. That's one of the online prostitute. So, bank transaction has those prostitution records. I'm doing it. Look, I'm doing why I'm doing it to on the entire country, the copyright. Because this is a big fucking racket, which is connected to film industry, prostitution, corrupts, banks, GP. They have their own GPS spoof market. Imagine prostitutes are getting fucked for pizzas and burgers. I think this part. Look, I cannot do anything about this. This is a difficult situation for them, not me, because nudes which are made around street hookers, the prostitutes from the streets are making sex videos from a clone, and that same clone is around my house walking in front of the surveillance. And their four pictures are captured, and the same woman is in the fake bank account transaction. You got the story, right? There must be hundreds of Shalazar who must have sold their bikes and cars because of these prostitutes tell. These prostitutes, the street hookers, are running a bank fraud business. Hearing this right? And their names are right there in those fake bank account transaction. And I went to the bank. See the reports must be. See the reports are down there in the comment section. You will see the reports. I made it before the accident. Before the surgery. Yeah. And if look, any fucking politician says that why he took this decision to do it on the entire country, so this is public. Yeah. You want to burn public and make your money. You want to burn public and make your money. Or any fucking bench or anyone says why you're doing it on every Indian. So you want to burn those Indians. You wanted to burn those Indians. And if the outdoor people are funding to burn India, then you are a fucking देशद्रोही. तेरी माँ की चूत लवड़े का मंत्री है तू. You are a fucking देशद्रोही. जो खादी पहन के माँ की चूत देश को जला रहा है मादर चौथ. समझे? If any politician says why I am doing it on entire country, so I am doing the right thing. कोई बाहर वाला पैसा दे रहा है इधर दंगा कराने के लिए हिंदू मुस्लिम का, तो मैं उसको भी देख लेगा. समझे? तेरी माँ की चुत तेरी. समझे छोटे? Any politician says कि you shouldn't do it on the entire country, तो देशद्रोही है तेरी माँ की चूत. तेरे को हिंदू मुस्लिम का दंगा चाहिए था, फिर तेरे को इधर जलाने का है लोगों को, और तेरे को वोट बनाने का है फिर अंडोरे के माफिक. समझे? तेरी माँ की चूत तेरी. समझे? I'll do it on the entire country. मैंने बोल दिया मतलब हो गया. और इंटरनेशनल कोई है उसको भी मैं देख लेगा मादर चौथ को. समझे? तो ये अंडोरे जैसे कुत्ते भोगते ही रहेंगे. मैंने बोल दिया कि कॉपीराइट पूरे कंट्री को है, तो पूरे कंट्री को है. समझे? आई एम द गाय ऑफ गिविंग ऑर्डर्स. दे आर द गाय हु बेग्स फॉर वोट and not to claim copyright. I give orders, claim copyright. चल इनकी माँ की चूत.